Yo, Salim, байланыстың 91. And no. Paddles in a paddle.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay.
Микки Маус қалай сөйлейді? Тура солай. В общем, барынша, я енді әркімнің әдеби шектері бар, барынша дауыстарыңды Микки Маусқа саламыз. Так, то есть все, Микки Маус сияқты.
a bit of battle.
Yo, Salim, байланыстың 91. Бәріңізге сәл. Да, вот, біз бәріміз рэперлеріміз, Эйзи, Зак, все, 91 сияқты оқимыз. Кеттік. Ағылшынша. Any noise. So, enough. Paddles in a paddle. They call it a Tweety B Murphy. Танысаңыз басқаруды үйреніп жатсыз қазір, әртүрлі ордыға кіру арқылы. Өзімізді ағылшынша таныстырамыз. My name is все, кетті. Өздеріңіз жайлы ақпарат бәрін айта бересіз. Өз орнында қалады, просто бұрылады. Тағы да таныстырамыз. Тағы да ағылшынша.
Hi, let's introduce myself. My name is Diana and I'm
бір сағат, жаттықтыр, балдар спикингте. Не дейсіздер? Кім қандай сезімді?
Жеңіл сезініп кеттік өзімізді кәдімгідей. Жеңіл сезіміз.
Хорошо. Ну, қалай ойлайсыздар енді? Кішкене азырақ қорқатын боласыздар ма?
Бұл жерде ұялмаған адам дебат айтқанда ұялады деп ойламаймын. Қазір ұялмаған адам дебат айтқанда ұялады деп ойламаймын.
Тамаша. Ондай болса, давайте 10-minute break и потом 10 минуттан кейін бір раунд ойнап жүрейік. Жақсы. Here continue. You got 3 minutes to present. The stage is over there. Okay, stage is over there.
It is so hot in this room. I feel roasting and boiling. I feel myself so bad. And I can't study, I can't work normally. There is feelings like I'm in the Africa, like this song.
Oh my gosh, I feel myself so freezing. There is so cold for me. I feel myself that I live in Antarctica.
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. By the situation, we are demonstrating the common problem for everyone. And if you want to stay cool and comfortable in your own home, we offer you our own premium product. We find the solution of this problem.
Okay, our product promises you it make air convenient. You can make temperature convenient, and our product decrease the weight of air. And our product, it can help you to keep air fresh, and your health will be good using our technology. And the other advantages of our product, for example, imagine that in your home have insects, and our technology can save your home against insects. And okay, Dimash, for example, Dimash sleeping, very like sleeping, and using our technology, using our product, you can make your sleep your sleep would become like high or good using our technology.
Imagine coming home after a long days of work. You want to rest with fresh air, and of course with our premium product.
Yeah, using our product, your sleep would increase it without getting hot or without getting cold.
So you can buy it in our Kaspi shop for installment for 24 months, and that is available for everyone.
Yes.
And we want to give a feedback from our customer. Yeah. As a customer, I want to give some feedback. This product is very amazing. My life is changed, and this product gives a world difference. If you want to also buy this product, visit website and gives them a call.
Well done. Well done. Good job, guys. Our next presenters are the security camera team. Let's welcome them.
Technology for if you're a traveler or you haven't been at home a long time, or you spend a lot of time at work, or you are employer and you want to check your work place and your workers.
So if you faced with problems such as stealing or damaging of your workplace or house, so we have a great solution for all of you. It's a security cameras which has manufactured by Saturn company group. If you have to our company, if you have to our cameras, you own such benefits like remote controlling, wide viewing angle, tiny size, which you known just by you, and also alarm systems. We have many promotions for all of you. If you are a student, or if you are, if you have a huge company, which you work at, maybe, yeah, there. And for students, we will give you 50% of discount, 50% discount. And by using our cameras, you protect your room from others and from stealing by someone your items. So
Fast delivery during 3 days, and fast installing. You can install it yourself, and that's all.
make your life better than it was with us.
All right. Our next presenters are the t-shirt team. T-shirt team.
Hello, you can spring, but you don't have a new t-shirt, and you all of t-shirt old, but you want a new t-shirt, and your t-shirt uncomfortable, uncomfortable, and or you still wearing jumper. If you have a few money, but you want a comfortable t-shirt, it's not problem us. You can, we can solve your problem.
And if your t-shirt is ugly and old, the quality, you don't like your t-shirt's color, and you don't wear t-shirt any place, you just think your body unfit your muscle, and your if your t-shirt out of fashion.
But we have a solution for every person, everyone. We make modern and stylish, stylish t-shirt for every person, and our company guarantee you for just only high quality products. We promise our product will be comfortable, and you will gain self-confidence in yourself. You have a chance to look great, and every person will interest your fresh style. You only find the stylish t-shirt only our company's product. We offer you the lowest
lowest price, the suitable price for each person. Just you can just only low price, and so you look so great.
My friends, and let me introduce my product, our product. And in our world, most people live with lack of water in the body, and sometimes we get headache, and we feel very tired, and because of it, we don't drink water enough. And when our bodies don't have water, after that we don't pay attention, we don't make concentrations. And our product, it's about solves these problems.
Today, grab a bottle our DQ water and feel the difference with other waters. And
Please make a noise for our.
Oh, I can't hear early. I can't hear. It's difficult.
Stop. Yes, we have one solution. You feel noisy. Yes, you have a problem. You have a problem with listening. You are tired talking. Grandmothers in a public transport, and it's a very boring and tiring. You want to listen your popular music, but you have not our headphones, and you have a very boring work, and you want to listen your popular music, and we have a solution for this.
You dream of being alone with your thought. We find solution for you. This thing is very comfortable and useful for you. For example, you want talking with your house people, watch your favorite films, or play your Canon, play computer games. Use these things. These things is more popular all over the world now, and when you wear this thing, you will be modern in your circle, and we offer you mass quality song and famous headphone. We offer you silence. We offer you silence. Yes.
And therefore we offers one gadget. It is a make your life easier, and it is a modern wireless headphones. It is a gadget, and so choose everything simple, practical, and stylish. And with them you can forget about pain of untangling worries, and listen to music, a book, or audio message. Also, you can answer a call out your phone, and if you buy us, you will receive 25% discount, and also free delivery.
Done. Good job. Fantastic job. Okay. Let's do the voting. Okay, қазір командаларды атайын. Ең күшті жарнама олардікі болса десеңіз, қатты шапалақтаңыз. Біз осы шу арқылы анықтаймыз жеңімпазды. Who thinks that the aircon team was the best? Okay. How many of you think that security team was the best? Okay. How many of you think the t-shirt team was the best? Okay. How many of you think the water team was the best? And how many of you think that the headphone team was the best? Okay. looks like we have a tie between the aircon team and the headphone team. Okay, let's do the final voting between these two. Okay, aircon team. Okay. Headphone team. Да? Кейбіреулеріңізге прям кеңес берсін. Мысалы, мұхаммеданның This is a great show. Молодцы, well done. Бүгін, меніңше өте продуктивті өтті. Жарнамаларыңызды көргеніміз өте қызықты болды. Әсіресе прям кішкене актерлік шеберлікті қолданған супер, топчик. Very well done. Бүгінгі Dixie Debate Club'ның кезекті кездесуі жабық деп